Hello, everyone. Welcome in a new Daily Markets Outlook. Today is Tuesday, the 4th of October, and this video is brought to you by the market research team at OnePro. And let's have a quick look on the markets today. We had some movements in the Asian session, and starting off with the economic agenda for today, we can see that the Chinese sessions are still off basically for the National Day or basically the Golden Week. So we do expect that the Chinese markets will be off today and for the rest of the week. Basically, in the Asian session, we had the Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision, which somehow surprised the markets. Markets were anticipating a 50 basis points rate hike. However, it started to show that the Reserve Bank of Australia is slowing down the tempo for the rate hikes, and we have seen only a 25 basis points rate hike, 2.60% for the interest or the cash rate on the Australian dollar. Basically, going forward, today we do have the job openings for August from the US economy, and we end the day with a speech from Christine Lagarde, the ECB president. That's all basically for the economic agenda for today. And basically, on the charts, as per the technical analysis, we can see that the US dollar is still continuing the move to the downside. A weaker dollar basically means that all of the other assets are set to go higher. So starting with the dollar index, we can see it's currently trading around 111, just around those levels, 111.05. We do expect a continuation of this downward move to test the support around 110.56 because basically it's a clear impulsive move or motive wave to the downside. So basically this downward move should end around the levels of 110.56, from which we can expect some bullish price action to take place. However, during the day, we do expect a continuation of the weaker dollar. On the other hand, of course, this could give some breathe to the other assets, just as the euro. We do have our target set around 0.99. That's the first target that we should reach during the day. It's basically only 10 pips from here. And then we basically have the main key support, key resistance around the next levels of 1.09944. This is basically what we'll be looking for today on the euro. The other hand is basically the pound also eyeing the levels of 1.1460, around 60 pips from here. We do expect this to happen during the day. The same goes for gold, basically, which had a brilliant upward move yesterday from the levels of 1670 and reaching currently at $17.10 per ounce. And the following resistance should be around the levels of 1731. So we do expect a continuation of around another $20 or 200 pips on the gold trading. That should take place starting from today. The same also goes for the US crude oil, currently trading around 84. And basically the levels of resistance should be the 85.34. So as long as we're talking about a weaker dollar, this should give some upward room for the euro, the pound, the oil, and the gold trading during the day. That was all for today's Daily Markets Outlook. Thank you so much for watching, and please stay tuned for another videos. Please stay safe.